Flipping pigeons, man. That boy over there flipping them pigeons, man. You see that boy flipping them pigeons? Yeah, cuz over there flipping them pigeons. I got a visitor over there. See that visitor? Kit right there. Visitor's over there. Go on about your business, visitor. We don't want no company today, cuz. Raise up. We over here doing us. Do y'all thing, man. Fuck cuz. Yeah. We say, fuck cuz. Do your thing. Look at that. They ain't even worried about cuz. They ready to squabble up. Look. Uh-oh. That bird rolled out that kit like that there? That blue bar hot, cuz. Hey, look. See all them big ass crows? They chased the visitor away. Visitor didn't want none when the ravens came through. Come on from the other side of that tree, man. We had a little visitor, man. He went on about his business. He didn't want no recreation, man. You feel me? Gotta get your asses on back on home, man. Control. Junk over there flipping them pigeons, man. Cuz over there flipping them pigeons. Look at that black spin. Oh boy. Spin for the camera. Spin for the world. Spin for the world. Get it together.